In front of me is DOOGEE V30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. After deciding which one you wish to use, you need to create it. Then hit Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it to confirm it. And hit Confirm also at the bottom right corner. Now click on one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!